In this episode of HardwareZone Tech Me Up, we explore internet browser productivity tips with the all-new ASUS ZenBook 14. Which is one of the most compact laptops out there at the moment, and it's very sleek, very thin, very light, only at 1.09 kg, and it also features a 92% screen-to-body ratio. For accident-prone friends out there, not to worry, this laptop is for you because it is military standard 810 certified. And the unique feature of this laptop is that it features this damn cool trackpad that doubles up as a number pad. So cool, right? So let's explore more of this laptop throughout the episode. This tip is called the panic button. So imagine a situation whereby your boss walks by suddenly and you got all these unrelated work tabs. What do? You hit the panic button. Here's how it works. Let's say my boss comes by and straight away I hit the panic button, which is a Chrome extension, so you can simply get it from the Chrome store. Tap on it and straight away, all your other unrelated tabs vanish. You can click to unveil all the apps. You can also program it to only show your company's webpage, which means you're an employee who deserves a raise. That's one tip you should never forget. If you have too many tabs open all the time, check out One Tab. It helps you convert all your tabs into one single list so you don't have to feel the pressure to keep them open. You see, its icon is very, very apt because it's a funnel, so it helps you streamline everything into one. Just tap it and phew, everything just goes into this one tab browser and it shows you all the tabs that were open previously. You can choose to either restore them all, delete them all, share as web page. So should we choose to restore them all, everything comes back. Simple. This next tip is called Momentum. So it's a very feel-good Google Chrome extension that is available on the Chrome store because it helps you personalize your desktop or every new tab that you open. Here's how it works. Press any tab, any new tab that is open. Wow, straight away you'll be welcomed by this very beautiful background, could be anywhere. Then it shows you the time in huge fonts with a greeting, very personalized. Let's say my name is so if my name is Malcolm, good morning, I'm Malcolm. What is your main focus for today? So if you want to reply it, go right ahead, but I won't do that for now. On the top right hand corner, it shows you where you are and how the weather is like today. You can even create a to-do list for yourself and it reminds you. There are also links that you visit frequently, and a search bar also shows you where this beautiful photo is taken. This next tip is called Convenient Calculator. Let's say you're in the middle of a report, you're typing everything for work, and then suddenly you are surprised by this sudden need for calculation. What is 900 times 6? Well, you don't have to frantically search for your phone or calculator. You can simply open a new Google tab on your Google Chrome. I'm going to activate my super cool Tron-like number pad calculator and then press 900 times 6. Look, with internet, it simply displays 5,400 without even having to hit enter. Effortless. Next tip. This next tip is called Temporary Timer. Let's say you're working on this project, a report, and you have so many other assignments to do or many other tasks to complete, and you need a reminder for that. All you need to do is to open up a new tab in your Google Chrome browser and type set timer for 30 minutes. Okay, it's an autofill, so you just press enter and right away the timer starts running. You don't even have to press enter. Okay, then you rush back to your report and continue typing away. This next tip is called Grammarly. I'm sure you've seen it all over YouTube, but unknown to many, there is also a free version. So let's say I install this Chrome extension onto my Chrome browser. I want to update my Facebook status right now and I want to tell people that I feel amazing. Let's try it. I feel amazing. Alright, and Grammarly automatically corrects me, or rather it prompts me whenever it feels that there might be a fault. So I feel amazing. Sweet. So with Grammarly, life is a lot easier. And imagine you want to write your whole full report, Grammarly will help you sieve out all the mistakes. This next tip is called the Super Saver. It basically helps you save all your existing browsers in one simple shortcut. Here's how. Let's say you're working on a project and you have many tabs that are already open. Of course, at this point, you might have a lot of library resources in different tabs, and you want to save all of that in one simple shortcut. All you need to do is to press Ctrl Shift and D simultaneously, and a pop-up comes up prompting you to save these folders. So maybe you want to name it Project 1. So at a later date, you want to retrieve all of that. You can simply go to these three little buttons here, and then under bookmarks, you can go to other bookmarks and you'll find Project 1's tabs right there. Easily accessible, all with the switch of a shortcut. So after a long day of work, you just want to sit back, relax and indulge in some me time, we have just the game for you. Simply open a new tab and type in Pac-Man. That's right, our classic monster is here to save the day, and click play. Then you can start playing. Alright, then you knock yourself out, man. So that's all I have for you with regards to internet tips. Hope you managed to evade those sneaky eyes and your boss when you want to do private stuff at work. If you like what you see, do remember to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, and tell us more in the comments below what you want to see more of so we can all improve as a community, right? Well, if you would like to do all the internet invading stuff, this laptop, the Asus ZenBook 14, is the perfect laptop to do all these. Till next time, see ya.